to interpret. I use the yellow one only, EQU. So EQU got 90 observation. You can see my mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, isn't it? So how do I report? This is one way in yellow. I can put EQU, here I put in full. You want to put EQU back also never mind, but here when I write, I put the full name. The percentage of equity in the recommended portfolio, that is the full name of EQU, right? Has a mean of, just now from the table, with a range between minimum and maximum and a standard deviation of this. You see, I don't waste a lot of space, isn't it? I put it concise. This, then you can repeat for the second one, third one. But when you just report statistics, it is just on the surface, isn't it? Easily, I can repeat this how many times? If I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 variable, I can repeat this sentence 9 times, isn't it? Right? Correct. I just fill in the blanks. But do you think that is impressive? It is just basic reporting only, isn't it, of statistics, and you never provide any interpretation, isn't it? So here the student didn't provide the interpretation, but how do we interpret? So my advice, the easiest way to interpret is, we interpret by looking at the mean. Example, make it easier. Let's say I put this as ROA. ROA easier, isn't it? ROA. Let's say the mean ROA is 0.2. 0.2 stands for 20%, isn't it? Meaning, on average, isn't it? The sample firms have a return on asset or profitability of 20%. Okay? Even though, the minimum, maximum may be from negative to positive. So on average, 20%. But you don't know good or bad, isn't it? Right? So we can compare by looking at minimum and maximum. So if let's say, like during COVID, you got 20%, and then you see maximum only maybe 25%. But the rest all can go up to negative 100%. So are you on the good side or the bad side? On the good side, isn't it? So you are saying, on average, the firms are performing well in terms of profitability, because there are so many who are worse off. You understand? So meaning, normally, we will base on the mean, then we look at minimum, maximum, and we see on average, what is the position, right, or situation for majority of the sample firms. If you're doing survey, same thing. Let's say the first one is your dependent variable. Let's say financial literacy. You put on 5 questions, 5-point Likert scale. So let's say minimum come out is 5 because all answer 1, 1, 1, 1, isn't it? 5 questions, so 5 lah. Maximum 25, isn't it? Right? 5 to 25. But your mean for financial literacy is 22. So what can you say? Mean is 22, minimum is 5, maximum is 25. Are you on the low end, moderate, or on the high end? On the high end, isn't it? Because close to 25, isn't it? So what can you say? On average, the respondents have good financial literacy, isn't it? Because they're close to perfection already. Can you see? So meaning we will use word like poor or low, moderate, high or good, that kind of word to show on average what is the situation of our average sample. Can you understand? So that way it brings meaning to the statistics. Then at least I know, okay lah, among your respondent majority, they know financial planning lah. You understand? Okay? So that will carry more meaning and more marks also, right or not? Rather than just to report like this, this one you get minimum marks, you interpret in a meaningful way, more marks. Okay? So my advice, use the mean to interpret. But I don't know, your senior very interesting. I say use mean, I make your life so easy, isn't it? Compare minimum, maximum, but they like to use standard deviation. And they compare, standard deviation 0.2, big or small standard deviation, do you think easy to see? Not easy. So I don't know why they make their life difficult. And I see it looks so weird. I say, change. Then they got double work, isn't it? I gave them the easy one. They want to do the complicated, and they do it in a very strange and questionable way, to the point I'm not convinced. Then I say, change to mean. So why don't you follow the easy path straight away, interpret the mean, then compare with the minimum and maximum. Do you understand? Right? So you keep repeating for every variable. And you look at how the student do it. We do it one variable at a time. Some student, they say, this one long-winded, wasting time. I report all at once. You know what they do? The mean for EQU, they list out everything, everything. You understand what I mean? One sentence, they report all the mean. Next sentence, they report all the standard deviation. Okay, after I read, I don't know what is the characteristic of every variable. They say that one save time. Who asked you to save time, right? We want meaningful interpretation. So, this side like got some serious. What happened? Any problem? Like want to fight, I scared, or it's getting more heated. Should I separate you up? No, right? Okay, right. Okay. You want to go there and separate them up? He said, leave me alone, I'm at peace in my quiet corner. Right. Okay, you understand? So we spend quality time with our variable. One at a time, we try to understand them, right? Don't be so impatient. I teach one by one. You one sentence settle everything. Can. Instead of giving you marks, here 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 marks, I give you 1 mark. Supposed to be 9 marks. Yeah, you put everything one sentence, you say settle already. So 1 out of 9. You understand? Okay, so don't take the shortcut unless I told you to, right? This one at a time. You understand? Okay, right. Clear? This part quite easy, isn't it? Right. So for robo-advisor, hers is easier, right? But the rest I will use the virtual currency. Okay? Why? Because his table, I said I cross. I think after you get confused. That's why I didn't want to use the virtual currency. Okay, right. So second one, let's look at our slide. Okay, I go to this one first. For survey, okay, never mind. For survey, you notice you have to report the demographic profile of your respondent, isn't it? Because in your questionnaire, remember your last part of your questionnaire is demographic data. Now you have to generate statistics on all the demographic data you've collected. You can put that as 4.2 if you like, right? You can. That's why I say the numbering. You notice I don't put number here because it depends on your research. So let's say you call it 4.2. How to present the table? You can see this in any journal. It's very normal. Like this journal, they put their table as profile of the respondent. Or you can put demographic profile of the respondent. You look at how they report. You can follow this style. Meaning, you follow your questionnaire. Yes or not? Your questionnaire, let's say you start with gender, then you list down all the options available, male, female, age, you copy back everything, right? Number of respondents. This one you should have calculated already, right, isn't it? So how many male, how many female? Percentage is out of 100%. No, I think you know how to count percentage, right? This one, 154 divided by the total, isn't it? Cumulative percentage, you know what is cumulative? Is it raining?